Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Digest. On my previous video, I have discussed about how to install Java on Mac on Windows machine. Today we are going to discuss about IDE, what is IDE, how to install IDE, how to write your first Java program, right? So IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, right? So let me write here. So what is IDE? IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Okay, now what is this actually? It's a software application that provides comprehensive tools and features to assist developers in writing, uh, testing, and debugging codes for software development. In short, it's a software. It's a software, right? Which will provide you some benefits. What are the benefits? Uh, the benefits of writing. You can write programs. You can test your code, and you can debug your code. It's a software which will provide you the benefits of writing, testing, and debug your codes. Right. So there are some examples of um, IDs, right? There would be Visual Studio, mm, Eclipse, IntelliJ IDE. Just a minute. IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, IntelliJ IDEA. So and etc. There are many basically. So Visual Studio or Visual Studio Code is very good option for Java, Python, this kind of programming languages. Eclipse are again for it is also a good solution or good option, IDE option. IntelliJ IDEA is somehow uh, paid, not free. Not all the versions are free, so little complex. I prefer always prefer using Visual Studio Code. It's lightweight and it has many benefits basically. Uh, like for coding, it has many advantages like predefined boilerplates, first thing, and good support for range of programming language like Java, Python, anything you can use using the same ID basically, right? So we will basically go for Visual Studio Code. You can go for any one of these, either IntelliJ or Eclipse if you find it easy, but I find Visual Studio Code is more user friendly, right? So here is how to install it. So for to install it, first we have to go to Google, and we have to search install VS Code. That's it. And if you search for install VS Code, the first option is download Visual Studio Code for Mac, Linux, and Windows. So go there. Just a minute. Okay, so if you see in the download page of Visual Studio Code, you will get the version is 1.85 is available. So so first, I mean the current version is 1.85, version 1.85. Now, as I am using Mac machine, so I have to download this option, right? Mac option. If you are using Windows machine, you go there and install it. Okay, so I mean, it's straightforward things. If you install or download this Mac option, it will download something like this. So VS Code, universal, one zip file you will get, and your responsibility is to just unzip the file. That's it. That's it. You are ready to use that VS Code, and just put that particular unzipped file into your application folder. Okay, and that's it. I mean, it's all self-installed thing. I mean, it's not very complex thing. It's just that you have to unzip the folder, you have to put the unzipped file into your applications. That's it. Okay, and if you double click it, you will get like this. So this is my Visual Studio Code opened. So you'll get one welcome screen, right? And yeah, so just close that welcome screen because we do not need it. Okay, now let's create one Java program, right? So how to create it? Okay, fine. So let's go to documents or any folder location, like file location, folder location, whatever, and create. We can create one new uh, folder, new folder. Let's give a name, Java programs, right? Java programs, and let's go there. So if you see, if you click here in the VS Code, you will get one option of open folder. Okay, just click on the open folder. Okay, and now here where we created that a new folder inside documents. If you go to documents, this Java program we have created, right? Now just open that folder inside VS Code. That's it. Again, close that welcome screen, we do not need it. Okay, now here if you see Java programs, you have opened Java programs folder here inside your VS Code. Now you have to create one file. This is the creation of file, right? Java file. So what you have to do, you have to create a basic file. Like for me, first program is hello world, obviously hello world dot java. Don't forget to put these extensions. Okay, if you are writing Python code, it should be .py. Okay, if you are writing Java code, the file extension should be .java. Otherwise it will create a just file. Okay, it won't be the Java file. So .java is mandatory, right? So put an enter. Now after all the loadings are completed, just put public class hello world. Okay, if you can see, it all, I mean, it automatically completed like public class hello world. Okay, I didn't have to write many codes for this, the whole line basically. Okay, now I'll tell you what is class. Okay, I'll tell you what is object, but for now, just take these as Java pro forma. That is how we write Java program basically, right? So in my next sections of so we'll discuss what is class, what are the other components of Java programming, right? So now, for now, this is the file, and the file name is public class hello world. Okay, and inside public class hello world, without I mean all the program starts from main method. So how to write main method? Just put main. Okay, and if you see, you are getting one option main. Just click here, you'll get this the whole methods. This is the advantage of VS Code, Studio Code Studio, VS Code Studio. I mean VS Code Studio, basically. Okay, so anyway, this is public static void main. All the execution will start from this particular method. This is called main method. Okay, now again, I'll discuss this main method in detail in the later stage of this particular session. Okay, or in next videos. So but for now, just take main method as the key to enter any program or any code, right? So here we'll just print a hello world message. This out. If I write this out, you'll get this system.out.println. Okay, system.out.println is used to print something in the console. Okay, in the console window. That's it. Hello world. That's it. Okay, now if you go the above, you will get some options like file, edit, selection, view, go, run, terminal. So if you go to terminal, it's a new terminal. Okay, we are getting a new terminal here. You can also run this program by this clicking on this run button. Okay, that is also fine. You are getting this hello world message. That means your program is correct, right? Now we'll do some uh, conceptual thing. What are the conceptual thing here? Now we'll first compile the Java program and then run the Java program. That is what internally the whole concept, I mean, when we click on run, it does first, it compiles the program, then it runs the program, right? That because that is the steps we already discussed in our first video, or second video, right? So how Java works basically. So first thing, how to compile this particular file. So for compilation, we need Java C, Java C, and then what? Hello world dot Java. Hello world dot Java. This file name. So Java C is a compiler. Where it stays, it comes with JDK, Java Development Kit, and it stays under bin folder, okay, of JDK. So as you know, I have already discussed from Java 11, uh, Oracle has decommissioned JRE. So everything is under development tools. So Java C is one of the development tools. Okay. So compiler or Java C or Java compiler is a development tool which stays under a bin folder. Okay, and as we have already set the path, if you don't know how to set the Java path, I've already discussed in my previous videos how to set Java path. Okay, so please go through that video. So for now, coming back to this video, so when we are trying to compile this particular program or particular file, we will need this java c. Okay, java c command. So java c hello world dot java. If we enter, then you will get that there is no error basically. That means it is successfully compiled. And one more thing, you will get one dot class file. I've already told in the first class of the Java architecture session, right? In Java architecture session, we have already discussed that after compilation. So what is compiler? Compiler is, so when we have written this Java program in English like language, everyone can understand what I have written, right? Now our duty or our responsibility is to convert this code to bytecode. So Java, I mean, by using JavaC or compiler of Java, we have converted this particular English like language to some garbage language, basically Java world.class files. Okay, this is called the bytecode. All the bytecodes of this particular program is residing now inside hello world.class. Now what? Now to run this particular program, that means we are instructing JVM, or JVM will convert this bytecode to machine readable code and will execute the program using all the libraries. That is what Java architecture says, right? So to do that particular step, we'll need what? Java. Okay, Java, only Java. Okay, this is the executor of any program. So just hello world. In this step, we'll not put .java extension here because we are specifying hello world with what dot class file, right? So we will not specify .java here, right? So if we, just a minute, the world would be small w, right? Okay, just Java hello world. If I may put enter or run it, Java hello world, if you see, we are getting this hello world message here. Okay, this is how Java works. This is how we write our first program in Java, right? So that's all for this particular video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe this particular channel for more videos, more conceptual things, right? Thank you very much.